Hello friends, welcome in Pharmaceutical Chemistry 2. Today we are going to deal with adrenergic antagonist or sympatholytic drugs. Myself, Mrs. Urmila Ravindra Gaudi, M.Pharm in Quality Assurance Techniques. The part of nervous system which controls the activity of involuntary organ in the body like heart, blood vessels, bronchioles, smooth muscles is known as autonomous nervous system, which consists of two divisions like sympathetic and parasympathetic. Peripherally, the adrenergic nerves are the postganglionic fibers of the sympathetic nervous system except those innervated to sweat and salivary glands. The neurotransmitter secreted at the nerve ending is norepinephrine and to laser excitant epinephrine. Sympathetic nervous system is also found in CNS where it is distinguished as the noradrenergic pathway which is involved in behavior, mood and sleep. The adrenergic pathway which uses adrenaline as neurotransmitter. There are two major groups of adrenergic receptor, namely alpha and beta receptor. Adrenolytic. The drug that decreases the sympatholytic activity are called adrenolytic or sympatholytic or adrenergic antagonist or anti-adrenergic or adrenergic blocking agents. For example, tolazolone, propranolol and practalol. Let's start with classification. The drug may be characterized as alpha-adrenergic blocker. For example, tolazolone. They are mainly used to treat peripheral vascular disorders and Raynaud's syndrome. Second class, beta-adrenergic blockers. For example, propranolol and practalol. They are used to treat arterial hypertension as they control renin release and cardiac arrhythmia. Let's start with individual drug. First drug, tolazolone. It is 2-imidazoline derivative in which benzyl group is present at position 2. Property: it is official as hydrochloride salt which is white or creamy white crystalline powder. It is odorless and has bitter taste. It is very soluble in water and freely soluble in alcohol. Stability and storage: it is affected by light and hence it is stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Uses: it is used to treat peripheral vascular disorders and Raynaud's syndrome or disease. And it also stimulates gastric secretion. Pharmaceutical formulation: it is available in tolazolone tablet and brand name is Piscol and Piscofen. Next drug is propranolol. This is the structure of propranolol. It is a beta-adrenergic blocker. Chemical name: 1-isopropyl amino 3,1-naphtholoxy propan-2-ol. Property: its hydrochloride salt is white powder which is odorless and has bitter taste. It is soluble in water. Stability and storage: it is affected by light and hence it is stored in well-closed light-resistant container. Uses: it is used to treat cardiac arrhythmia, auricular fibrillation, angina pectoris, arterial hypertension, hyperthyroidism in children, symptoms of anxiety. Pharmaceutical formulation: it is available in propranolol tablet and propranolol injection. Brand name Ciplar and Procard. Next drug, practalol. Property: it is an odorless fine white powder having a bitter taste. It is slightly soluble in water. Stability and storage: it is affected by light and hence it is stored in well-closed light-resistant container. Uses: It is used to treat hypertension. In emergency, it is used to treat cardiac arrhythmia. Pharmaceutical formulation, it is available in Tactulol injection and the brand name is Iraldin. Thank you so much for watching this video.